A golden caramelized crust, an irresistible creamy core, a delicious treat ready in a few steps. Let's find out how it's done. Creme brulee is a very ancient dessert, possibly already referred to in the 1600s with the name of crème anglaise. Now we are going to make it in the saucepan by pouring the milk, then the cream, a vanilla powder from which I've already extracted the seeds, and slowly bringing it to a boil. I will just give it a stir, and in the meantime I'll whisk egg yolks and sugar together in a bowl using a wooden spoon to avoid incorporating too much air. Creme brulee and Spanish cream catalana are often confused, and in fact they're very similar, especially in their final result, but the use of starch, spices and cooking make the difference. The milk has reached the right temperature. We can finish the vanilla bean and move to the countertop. I'll drizzle the hot mixture in the yolks. If you notice any bubbles, just remove them with a skimmer. I'll put it through a sieve. I'll use a ladle to fill the ramekins. And I'll use this water that I kept warm at the beginning to cook them in a water bath. I pour it directly into the pan up to 1/3 of the outer surface of the ramekins. My creme brulee will cook at 140 degrees for about 70 minutes in a preheated oven. My creme brulee is cooked and cooled. You just have to sprinkle it with sugar. And with a torch I'll caramelize the surface. And as soon as a nice golden crust forms, the creme brulee is ready. Here is the creme brulee ready to be enjoyed. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano where you'll find ingredients, amounts and procedure explained step by step. If you liked this video, please leave a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe immediately to GialloZafferano's channel to stay up to date on all the news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself, and then let me know.